23 ABC's Digital Update is brought to you by West Medical.
I'm Mike Hart. Here's what we're following on this Friday. Calling it the Pelosi Payoff bill. Local Congressman Kevin McCarthy took aim at the Speaker of the House this morning and the $1.9 trillion stimulus bill that's expected to be approved today in the House. During his weekly press briefing, the House Minority Leader reiterated the GOP's claim that just 9% of the massive relief bill will actually help Americans. McCarthy took the time to blast Pelosi and other Democrats by saying the legislation is a payoff to political allies in blue states, funding Pelosi's subway along with other pet projects instead of focusing on vaccines and stimulus payments. He added that Republicans tried several times to pass a relief bill that had money set aside to reopen schools.
If you look in my own school district, the D's and F's are increased this year. And then the anxiety, the suicides, all of those bad things are happening. When we have passed $4 trillion, a lot of that in there is to help schools reopen. Money's not even being spent. And 3 times we tried to do that, being denied by the Democrats. So no, I think as we've learned more about this virus and disease it affects, schools could be reopened and schools should be reopened. It seems to me our governor made a wrong decision. Now, he politically may be punished for that because of a recall now, but it seems to me that he didn't follow the science.
Governor Newsom is in Fresno today talking about vaccine distribution in the Central Valley. 23 ABC also is scheduled to talk to McCarthy from Washington one-on-one this afternoon. We'll post all of this as we get it to our social media platforms and our website, turnto23.com. This morning, another day of double-digit deaths recorded and attributed to COVID locally. Public Health reporting 15 new deaths to their dashboard, increasing the total to 826. Now, this all comes with an additional 370 positive tests since the start of the pandemic, pushing that overall number to nearly 103,000. Right now, let's bring in Callan Hobman, sitting in for Elena Rusk with a check of your forecast.
Good morning. Let's take a look at our weather forecast on this Friday. We're going to see some nice sunny skies today and throughout the weekend, as well as some good air quality. So it's a great weekend to head outside. We're going to have a high of 67 degrees today, and then that will drop a little bit into a cooler temperature of 63 degrees tomorrow, but then it'll warm back up to 68 degrees on Sunday. If you take a look at Monday, we'll see we actually hit the 70s. We'll have a high of 72 degrees, so even a little bit warmer on Monday, so that'll be a really nice day as well. As we head into the rest of next week, you can see those temperatures do drop back into the mid to high 60s, 66 on Tuesday, 67 Wednesday and Thursday. We'll also see some cloud coverage next week and a slight chance of rain on Wednesday. Can't be too sure about that one, but we will keep an eye on that and keep you updated as we get a little bit closer. Have a great weekend.
And that's just a look at some of the things we're following at this hour. Don't forget you can find breaking news, weather, and traffic. We'll send it to you if you download our free mobile and tablet apps. We'll have another update for you later today. Have a great one.